Don't take it from me alone. My friend Barry here is getting help as well.
Yeah, that's right, Frank. I'm 62 years old. I was on testosterone therapy in the past, and it just didn't work for me, and I wasn't getting the results.
So, Roger, how'd you hear about Dr. Asandra?
I listen to you guys every day. You had mentioned that Dr. Asandra was going to be on the air, and I knew I had to call and make an appointment that day because I knew he was going to be swamped.
And he really took the time to show me how the real therapy works, and the benefits were amazing. I shredded about 10 pounds.
What have you seen?
More energy. I've been on morphine for 20 years. Less pain.
My muscle growth in the gym has just been amazing in such a short time.
Sex drive is off the charts now.
And my libido is amazing. It's like when I was 30 years old.
The testosterone, man, is just, I feel like I'm in my 20s again. So it's awesome.
I really appreciate you spreading the word, and I hope you guys get out there and give it a shot.